We're still out here trying to get all the stuff out of here. He's made some progress.
Yeah, I think he's got it now.
Beavers.
They're nice furry little creatures.
What's the saying?
Only good beavers and dead beaver. Okay, watch this. This will work.
Okay. What am I watching? First, we're going to watch you.
Open this baby up. That should.
There it goes. Woo!
Now that's
wow, that's a flow.
That's what we're
Holy moly, look at all the stuff that came through. Wow.
That's what we're talking about.
That's what we're talking about, Pilgrim. And look at this over here. See the whirlpool?
Whirlpool?
And the gurgling. It sounds like a tub draining.
I think I got it.
Make sure all that big stuff's out of the way. Yeah.